Welcome one and all to the food corner. Welcome indeed to our kitchen in beautiful Hellas, Greece. So, it's summertime and cucumbers and tomatoes are in season. And nothing better than a fresh salad on a hot summer's day. Right, honey?
Yeah.
So, what do you have in mind?
Greek salad.
Outstanding! Roll tape!
And these are the ingredients we'll be using in this recipe. Tomatoes, cucumber, onion, olives, dried oregano, salt, extra virgin olive oil, and last but not least, la pièce de résistance, some feta cheese.